Which technical skills students should be familiar with to make a career in data warehousing?
First and foremost, whereas most of data warehousing is done through ETL tools, and ETL tools they come with a very costly license, so I don't imagine any student would be having that. That can be covered by learning any programming language, absolutely any programming language. The reason is because when you sit down to write a code, it is the mind's ability to understand, see and design a logic rather than the syntax. As long as you know any programming language, as long as you are good in logic, as long as you have good problem solving skills, everything else is purely a matter of knowing a keyword or the other. If you are good in that, learning any language is no trouble at all. So make sure that the student learns any programming language. Other than that, the next important thing is a database. I know that students spend a lot of money going to this coaching classes or that coaching classes, trying to learn Oracle or this or that. The interesting thing is all databases, SQL for all databases is more or less the same. It is the SQL that you need to understand as a developer. Until you are a system administrator, which you anyways cannot become by going to these coaching institutes, you don't really need to know any. So know any database. As long as it is any database that you know good, you can write SQL, you can extract data, insert data, understand the basics of a database, you are good. Don't waste your money. Next most important thing is the operating system. In the previous question, I have explained the importance of learning the operating system, and I have given the industry example, which is Linux. Make sure you know Linux. And again, if I go back to my previous answer, if you have Linux installed on your laptop, you have any programming language whose compiler you need access to, any database you need to work with, I guess it is MySQL that you get as a free system for Linux system, free database for Linux system. And it's a really good database. It gives you all the basics, absolutely everything. So these are the key things that one should understand and know. Again, going back to the earlier point, logic is something that is common across all these three areas. Logic and combined with good problem solving skills. If you have these two things, no matter what you're working on, no matter it's Mac, Windows, Linux, C, Java, Oracle, absolutely anything, you will fix your problems in no time. You would be one of the good developers that somebody could find.